Hello. So I changed my OC and made a new intro/outro. And now I shall show them all to you. Intro first.
Oh, girl, let's
I hope you think that's cool, because I love it. New OC next. Haha, I'm so funny, right? No. Oh well, I tried. Outro now. I hope you enjoyed this just as much as I enjoy making content. Okay, that's it. Have a good rest of your day or night. Bye. Oh wait. Along with all the new stuff, I made a new watermark. There it is. Cool, huh? Oh, and YouTube still isn't letting me change my name for some reason. But my name is Lonely Lotus Flower still. Now that's really it. Bye.